Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syed Muhammad. Today I will present my final year project. My final year project topic is automatic sauce dispenser. I am from DIPA A. My supervisor name is Puan Nur Hasrimin binti Makno. Introduction. The automatic sauce dispenser is an engineering solution to fix the problem that exists with typical sauce dispenser while adding some new feature in this project. This project proposed to tackle the following issue compared to the manual sauce dispenser, such as bacteria prevention or prevent any virus that contaminate the surface of the hand touched at manual pump. Another problem with manual sauce dispenser is the amount of condiment sauce dispensed is inconsistent and unregulated, depend on how hard or how many times user have to push down the handle of the pump. This project will solve all of this problem by creating a smart sauce dispenser that has built with sensor and automatic pump. Okay, now we move to project background. The project will be using Proteus application to build a circuit and Arduino to create a code base for the purpose of this project. Using Proteus, it able to create circuit design which will include sensor, solenoid valve, and LED. Besides, the function of this project to make sure the sensor can detect object like paper plate and will send signal to the Arduino to work. The function of Arduino is to set how much sauce is used for one plate. After the amount of sauce being set, the solenoid valve will push down sauce to the plate until it reaches the amount need and stop. The function of LED indicator is to determine whether the sauce container is full or empty. Okay, next, problem statement. The problem of manual sauce dispenser is that the pump handle will contaminate with bacteria or virus after multiple users touch the pump handle daily. Such a bacteria leads to unsanitary condition and cross-contamination on the pump handle and may cause a user to contract a disease or lead to a disease outbreak. A second problem with a manual sauce dispenser is the amount of sauce dispensed is inconsistent and unregulated, depend on how hard or how many times a user have to push down the pump handle. A large force will dispense a large amount of sauce. A small force will dispense a small amount of sauce. Multiple pumps will result in an excessive amount of the sauce being dispensed. Project objective. The objective of this project is to avoid wasteful of sauce usage and to save the cost that the restaurant incur. Besides this, it can prevent the user from infective bacteria and virus and can prevent the user from disease or lead to a disease outbreak like the recent virus COVID-19. This project will also help the consumer and employee of the company to alert whether the container is full or empty, but include LED indicator. Move to the project scope. The scope of the automatic sauce dispenser is to limit the weight of the sauce dispenser. The weight of the sauce dispenser is 8.5 gram, the limit. This project designed to control the amount of sauce dispensed consistently and regulated, and also can prevent from wasting sauce. Project signification. This project is built for its user in restaurant, especially fast food restaurant that use it regularly. In addition, the project is also aimed at improving existing product and facilitating customer to use them. So, this project is really significant to be built because it has the potential to increase the level of product innovation in our country. Okay, this is my block diagram. It has two input, that is power supply and ultrasonic sensor. Arduino Nano act as a microcontroller for this project. This project has two output, that is solenoid valve and LED. The function of solenoid valve is to pull the source to the plate, while the function of LED ray to alert the employee to refill the sauce if the sauce in the container is empty. Okay, this is the flowchart of the project. Flowchart explanation. From the flowchart above, the automatic sauce dispenser will operate after the power supply is on. The ultrasonic will sense the object first before it sent to the Arduino Nano. The Arduino Nano will act as a microcontroller to control the sauce to push out the sauce or pull out the sauce. When the green LED appears, it means that the sauce quantity in the container is enough and can push the sauce out with the quantity set. Then the solenoid will operate to push the sauce out to the object like paper plate. The function of LED red is to give a signal that the sauce in the container is not enough and need to refill. If the sauce that pushed to the plate is overloaded, there is a push button to stop the sauce from going out. This is my schematic circuit. Expected result. This project is designed to help save on fast food consumption in Malaysia. The project can also help to ease the cost burden faced by the employer in the fast food store. Subsequently, the project can help customer avoid virus or bacteria while holding the suppressor sauce that is in the current sauce dispenser. In addition, this project will help students to program Arduino and apply it. In the end, we hope this project will attract students to learn more about sensor and how to coding using Arduino. From the conclusion, we hope that this automatic sauce dispenser can help all restaurants in Malaysia to save their money from the wasting sauce. The ultimate aim for this project is to lighten the workload of customer and prevent our body from virus attack when press the handle. This project also is the advance of the current sauce dispenser because it uses sensor and solenoid valve to make the sauce out automatically. This project is also expected to help the country towards a modern and advanced country. That's all for me. Thank you.